In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add services on Acuity, simplifying the process for both you and your clients. Whether you're new to Acuity scheduling or looking to refine your expertise, this guide is tailored to walk you through each step with ease, ensuring your services are up and ready for booking in no time. Let's start with the basics. First off, navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where all the magic begins. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that so we can get into the back end where you configure your settings. Once you've clicked on log in, you'll be prompted to type in your email address. This should be the email address you've associated with your Acuity account. With your email typed in, go ahead and click on next. Here's a handy tip. If you've integrated your Google account with Acuity, the next step will be a breeze. Simply click on continue with Google, and then choose the Google account you'd like to use. This streamlines the login process, making it quicker for you to access your Acuity dashboard. Now, with access to your Acuity account, direct your attention to the navigation bar where you'll find packages, gifts, and subscriptions. But hold on, before we delve into that area, we're going to need to take another step to specifically address the services you offer. Look for the option labeled Appointment Types. This is where you can manage the variety of services you make available for booking. Clicking on this will bring you to a page showcasing any services you've already set up. To add a new one, we're looking for a button that says New Type of Service. After clicking it, you're on your way to adding a brand new offering to your repertoire. The first order of business in creating this new service is to name it. This should be something clear and descriptive, as it will appear as the service option for your clients. Type in the name you've decided on for this service. Following the naming of your service, it's vital to specify how long this service will take. Acuity allows you to set durations down to the minute, which ensures your schedule runs like clockwork. Enter the duration of the service, for instance 60 minutes for an in-depth consultation, or perhaps 15 minutes for a quick check-in. Next, let's talk numbers. Service price is crucial, both for your business model and for transparency with your clients. There's a section for adding the price of your service. Fill this in with the amount you've determined, making sure it reflects the value and time of the service you're offering. With the details of your service fully laid out, its name, duration and price, the last step is to solidify its place in your service offerings. Look for the Create Appointment Type button. Clicking this finalizes the process, adding your new service to your list of available appointments, and just like that, you've successfully added a new service to your Acuity scheduling. This opens up more options for your clients and further customizes your Acuity setup to match the unique offerings of your business. Remember, maintaining an up-to-date listing of services in Acuity doesn't just make your life easier, it enhances the booking experience for your clients, promoting a seamless interaction from the moment they decide to book an appointment with you. Before we wrap up, it's worth emphasizing the importance of regularly revisiting your service offerings in Acuity. Markets change, as do the needs of your clients, and the services you provide today might need tweaking tomorrow. Regular updates ensure that your business remains relevant and competitive, all while providing the best possible service to your clients. Thank you for joining me in this step-by-step walkthrough on adding services in Acuity scheduling. I hope you found it both informative and easy to follow. Here's to optimizing your scheduling process and elevating your business to new heights. Until next time, take care.